Susan. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Aunt's Place. Aunt's Place has beautiful DIYs and is very inspiring. She is very supportive of all of us, and I appreciate that very much. This collab is a Mackenzie Childs inspired Halloween challenge, and I believe it's going to be a lot of fun. Her co-host is Annie Jones. Annie does a nightly live stream called Cabin Fever Crafting. I enjoy going over there every night. There is a wonderful sense of community, and I feel that I have made a lot of great friends there. I highly recommend checking her out. For my first project, I am spray painting 2 candle glasses I had from candles I had burned, and 2 thrifty candle holders I got for $1 a piece. Once they dried, I glued the candle glass to the candle holders using E6000 and hot glue. Once the candle holders had dried, I started painting them in what I thought of as the Mackenzie Childs style. I used black, white, and gold for the jars. It took 2 coats of the white for good coverage. While I was waiting for the candle jars to dry, I started getting the decorations for the jars ready. I found these topiary picks at Walmart for just 98 cents. I love the shape of them. So once again, I just started painting them in what I consider the Mackenzie Childs style. I have to say, this was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. Now that everything's dried, I'm adding gold touches using my Sharpie paint pen. I just kind of outlined the diamond look and then the hard edges on the bottom. And then I just went around the bottom edge at the base and the top edge, and just went around it with a gold marker as well. Now I'm just adding gold detail to the topiaries. I also just painted the stem with the gold paint pen. And now it's just time to put everything together. I used styrofoam stuck in the picks, used some Spanish moss. I used some ribbon I got at Dollar General and some fall flowers. And I just decorated it till I was happy. For my second project, I just sanded off the glitter that was on this sign I got in at Dollar Tree. And I am just going to paint it in the black and white Mackenzie Childs style. First, I just painted everything in white, and it took 2 coats. And I just used the Waverly chalk paint in white. painted the stem of my pumpkin with a gold paint pen. And then I just painted each of the sections of the pumpkin in a different Mackenzie Childs style that I thought would look good. I used the Waverly chalk paint and ink. I was going to use the gold acrylic paint to highlight the edges of this, and it turned out okay, but I wasn't really happy with the coverage. It seemed very watery to me. I don't know if I'm just gotten used to chalk paint, but it still had looked pretty good. So I did it with a pumpkin, but I used my markers on the rest of my stuff. This did give that look that you see on the Mackenzie Childs, where it's got that little bit of a yellowish gold, but it's not just right in your face gold. To finish this off, I made a bow. I forgot to film that part, I'm so sorry. But I just made a bow and glued the half of a sparkly pumpkin to the center. For my last project, I thrifted this picture for 50 cents at Habitat for Humanity. And I just painted the inside circle with my ink chalk paint from Waverly. It only took one coat with the black, and then I just started doing stripes all the way around the frame. And now I'm just cleaning up the edges with a smaller paintbrush. Now I'm just going to add a little detail with my white chalk paint. Now I'm just cutting these sparkly pumpkins I got at Dollar Tree in half, and I'm just arranging them on the little black circle and gluing them down. And I used this pretty ribbon I got at Dollar General, and I just made simple bows to go at the top, and then I just glued some of the smaller sparkly pumpkins to them. And here's the finished products. I'm really happy with it. I think they're so pretty. I really had a lot of fun doing this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell twice. None of this cost anything. And until next time, bye.